If you're looking to dodge the frozen toe season, the newly upgraded Aeocky 3rd generation space heater has made some serious waves by moving away from the flimsy plastic builds of the past. It's marketed as a 3.0 era heater, which essentially means they traded out old-school resistive wires for a more sophisticated metal-heavy design that prioritizes both speed and protection. I ended up receiving this heater for my honest review and testing, so let's start with the unboxing first. The box that it comes in, it's very nicely packaged. I definitely paid attention to detail. On top, you will get a quick start guide and warranty card. In the back of the heater, we have a user manual and the remote. The cable itself is a 2-prong and it's pretty long, I would say around 6 feet. On the back, towards the top, we do have a spot for a hand if we do want to carry this around. I gotta say, the design of this heater is very beautiful. Absolutely love the silver metal mesh and the black combo. Now, beyond just being sturdier, the metal construction serves as a functional purpose. It utilizes higher thermal conductivity to radiate infrared warmth. This means you aren't just getting a blast of hot air, you're getting that sitting by a fireplace feel that stays in the room longer. On top, we have digital display and the controls. Once it's plugged in, you're gonna get a little icon. When we press the power, it will turn on and it will remember the last time you turn it off, so those settings will come back the moment you turn it on again. Now, we do have 3 different settings, so if we press plus and minus, we're going to have H1, which is low heat. That one is going to use around 700 watts. Then we have H2, which is kind of medium heat. It's going to use around 900 watts. And then we have the highest heat setting, which will be H3. That one is going to use 1500 watts, and it will give you the highest temperatures. On top of the power button, we do have the shut-off timer. You can adjust this anywhere from 1 to 24 hours. So once that time expires, the heater will turn off by itself. Then in the top right corner, we do have the mode. Once you press that, we're gonna turn on the Eco mode. On the Eco mode, this is where you adjust the thermostat, so just use plus and minus. Once that certain temperature is reached, the heater will turn off. Once the temperature in the room drops, the heater will turn on, and so on and so on. If you hold the mode and the plus button, you will activate the child lock. Once the child lock is on, you can press any buttons, including the remote as well. And then in the top left corner, we do have the escalation button, and let's press that and let me show you how this works. It does give you 70 degrees heat from left to right. When it comes to the remote, it does have 2 additional buttons. The first one is mute. Once you press that, you're not going to be able to hear any beeps. And then on the top right, we have the child lock. Instead of holding 2 buttons like on top of the heater, with this, all you have to do is just press it once. And once that's pressed, none of the buttons will work until you press it again. Having a remote is a huge bonus. When it comes to the heating element, this uses metric PTC ceramic plate paired with an inclined blade cross-flow wind wheel. To explain it better, this pushes 35% more air and projects it 25% further than previous versions, making it viable for larger bedrooms or drafty offices. Now, this also has the quiet wave technology. If you're a light sleeper, this is your selling point. It operates at around 37 decibels, which is around the level of a quiet library. They achieve this by using 360 degrees enclosed motor that cuts out the mechanical whirling sound. Even though I'm doing a voiceover in this video, I still let the original sound of the heater play so you can see how quiet it is. When it comes to the protection, we do have the overheat and the tip over protection. So the Aeocky 1500 watts tower is specifically designed for indoor stationary use. Think home offices, bedside corners, or living room nooks. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.